Everyone's heard about flipping items or freelancing online. But what if I told you there's a side hustle almost nobody talks about, and it can bring in steady monthly cash with little work? Today, I'm breaking down how you can make money by renting out unused storage space you already have. So, here's the idea. People need cheap storage all the time, for boxes, furniture, even business inventory. But traditional storage units are expensive. If you have a spare garage, basement, shed, or even just a big closet, you can turn that unused space into a moneymaker. Platforms like neighbor.com let you list your space and connect with people nearby who need storage. Think of it like Airbnb, but instead of hosting guests, you're storing their stuff. Step 1. Go to neighbor.com or a similar site and sign up. Step 2. Take a few pictures of your space and set your monthly price. Step 3. Approve renters and start getting paid every month. The cool part is, you set the rules. Maybe you want to allow access only on weekends, or maybe you only accept small boxes, not heavy furniture. It's totally flexible. Some people make an extra $100 to $400 a month just by storing things they barely notice are there. This side hustle isn't talked about much because it doesn't sound flashy like day trading or dropshipping. But here's the thing. It's low effort, low startup cost, and recurring. Once you've got one renter, that's guaranteed monthly cash flow. And you don't have to spend hours each week managing it. Your space just exists. That's why I love this one for people who want passive-style income without being on camera or grinding online every day. Now, of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. You'll want to make sure your lease or HOA allows subleasing space. You should have insurance in case of damage. And you'll need to be comfortable with strangers storing stuff on your property. But overall, the risks are pretty low compared to other hustles. So if you're looking for a side hustle that's not oversaturated, requires no special skills, and can put an extra $200 or more in your pocket each month, try subleasing your storage space.